Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So integrate this by substitution. So when you look at this, the hard part lies right here. There's something that you need to do here. Okay, so integrate this by substitution. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, let u equals this thing here. So if u equals this, then du equals this, and dx equals this thing here. So let's put this back into here, and this into here, and then later we're going to break this up as an x times an x squared here, and this x squared. If you look at this here, add x squared to both sides, so that would be this equals 25. So x squared equals 25 minus u. So we can then put this into here. Okay, and then this x here will get cancelled out with something. Okay, so this x here will get cancelled out with this x here. Sorry. Okay, so this x here will get cancelled out with this x later on. It will make sense later on. So so u equals this, then dx equals this thing here. So let's put this into here, and then we're going to put the u into here, and then we're going to break this up as an x times an x squared. Okay, so hang on. So from here, that will then take us to here. That will then take us to here. Now visualize this as an x times an x squared. So this bit here will get cancelled out with this. Okay, and then that and then factor out the 1 over 2, the 1 over 2. Okay, so remember from earlier, from earlier we can substitute this back into here. So that would be this, because earlier we said u equals 25 minus x squared. So therefore x squared equals 25 minus u. Okay, so that would then take us to this. Then it's u multiplying this out, and then that will then take you to this. Now it's easy to integrate. So that will then take us to this, and then it's blah blah blah. It will then take you to here. Okay. So next one here. So integrate this by substitution. There's a trick that you can use here. Well, anyway, integrate this. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, let u equals this thing here. So if u equals this thing, then dx equals this thing here. Follow our normal routine. Well, we'll put this into here, and then we'll put the u into this bit here. Then that will then take this to this. Okay. So looking at this, hang on. Looking at this here, we can do this, square root of this, and then square root of this. So that will then take us to here. Okay, that will then take us to here, and then this thing here then becomes x squared, and then start put this into here, and the u put the u into this thing here. Okay, so that will then take us to here. That will then take us to here, and then now this will cancel out with this. Okay, so really the trick was to the trick here was to visualize it like this, and then this will then become x squared, and then the x squared here will cancel out with this x squared here. So yeah. So anyway, so we are now at this stage here where this will cancel out with this. Okay, and then factor out the 3 here, the 1 over 3, because there's a constant. We can take it out here. That will then take us to this, and then it's blah blah blah. So turn this into this, and then it's blah blah blah. That will then take us to here. Okay, so our final answer is this one here.